Do you want to learn how to use Imagine Anything AI image generator? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So first, head over to imagineanything.ai, and on this website, click on sign in and sign up over here. Sign up with Google. Now you have successfully signed up on Imagine Anything. You have got 10 generations here. With the free plan, you will get 10 free images per month, and you can generate 10 free. And if you want to upgrade, you can go for the premium or the deluxe plan. Now let's click on generate image. To generate an image, you can type a prompt here. And if you're not sure what type of a prompt you want to add here, just go to ChatGPT, which is chatgpt.com. I've typed in here, write me random prompt for a random scene for AI image generator. Now it has given us this prompt. I'm going to copy it, go back to Imagine Anything, put it over here. Now inside this, we have these options. First one is refine prompt. So I can click on it and it's going to refine the prompt. Like you can see here, it keeps refining the prompt like this. So I'm going to go back to the prompt that we added and just do once refine prompt. On the right of this, we have advanced. Inside the advanced options, we have model. You can choose between flux, stable diffusion, and ideogram. You can select the number of steps, guidance, and interval as well. I'm going to select flux, keep it flux selected. Flux is probably the best model currently available for AI image generation. So I'm going to click on advanced and go back and click on generate. And let's see what it generates for us. So here it has generated an image and you can edit it from here or download it from this icon on the top. So I'm going to edit it first because I've not found resize option inside it. So I think this is it. Next to this back button, we have resize. So what if I want it wide like this? I can resize it, but this is just crop feature. You can just crop it and move this crop box up or down and set it like this and create. This looks nice because the main image was already an square with the elements far away. So I could just crop it and make it work. Now I can save this. And now you can download this to your computer by clicking on this button. Now it's going to give you this, right click, save image as, and download it to your computer. Now, if you want to find your generated images, you can go over to the top right and go to your main account. If you click here, it's going to take you over to this page where you can find your generated images. And you can choose any of them and download it from here or share it to other social media accounts. One thing that I do not like about this tool is that I'm not able to generate an image of 16 by 9 or any other format like aspect ratio. I'm not able to select that yet inside this tool. I hope they add this option because this is really a simple option that they should have in this tool. And I'm also seeing one more bug here. Like here it says you have 10 credits left, but I've already downloaded one image to my computer and I've also generated 2 of them. So this has some bug as well. I'm going to clear my cache. Maybe that fixes it. No, that does not fix it. And if I try to generate another one, for example, if I click here and do flux generate, and now it changes that credits left to 7 generations and 9 downloads. So yes, there are some bugs inside it. So yeah, if you really want to use it, check it out. But I would say that there are more alternatives to this. You can go for ChatGPT. They also have an ability to make AI image inside their own AI tool. Also, you can go for Kling AI or you can try Global GPT. I have tutorials on all of them on my channel. You can check them out. In my honest opinion, I would rate it like 3 out of 5. If you really want it, you can try it out. But if you want to use that Flux AI generator, you can go for it. Kling AI gives you a lot of credits for free. And in here, you're just getting like 10 credits. And that too, I think is just for one time. Okay, it's per month. So 10 free images per month. And then you have to upgrade to the premium plan if you want to go for unlimited images. Now, that's good for the price. If you like it, go for it. And these on the main page are some of the generations that are made by the community members. So on the first look, they look really good. And you can generate things like this with the help of this tool. So yes, that's it. This is how to use Imagine Anything AI image generator. I have done a full tutorial on it and done a review of it. If you found this video helpful, let me know with a like and comment.